it's fishing day, and we have a special guest joining us today.
Special talaga. He looks special. And he is back!
The legendary.
Ang alamat ng ano, Sangandaan.
So here, while waiting for Ronel, we're gonna interview the special guest.
What is your fishing experience? Are you a pro angler or just here for the vibes?
I'm just here for the vibe, actually.
Okay.
I'm very bored in the new house that I'm living in. So I'm gonna try to go with my friends and try to get some luck. Actually, I was very amazed and inspired by one of the anglers that we've been with her catching some fish in the what do you call that? Water police in Fremantle. She's been catching flathead, so I'm gonna try some luck with her too. I hope I can catch some fish like her too.
What is your go-to bite strategy?
I normally just try to catch some muleys and then try a small hook, then try to cast it like that.
Great. What is the best part of going fishing?
It's not actually what you caught. It's about going with your friends and spending time with them, and then the thrill of catching some fish. That's all. That's why I'm doing this.
Great.
Yeah.
Pretty excited.
So we're gonna go to McDonald's before we start doing fishing, because one guy here is like taking a lot of time.
No, 9:36 for dinner. Very late.
Sarap ba?
What time is it?
It's time for morphin time.
Let's go fishing, let's make a day. I got the pole, you got the bait. It's so pretty, I'd sure hate to waste this time. We'll find us a shady little spot, not too cool, not too hot, and kick on back till we feel a tug on the line. Nowhere to go, nothing to do, just a whole lot of fishing, me and you. No one to see, nothing to say. We won't stop till we ain't done nothing all day. Let's go fishing, I'm on a mission. It's so pretty, I'd sure hate to waste this chance. We'll find us a shady little spot, not too cool, not too high.
So guys, update for our fishing last night. We went there around 9 or 10. Went home 3 o'clock in the morning with 0 bites, 0 catch, 3 bag of muleys, 2 whole mullet, 1 herring, 2 snaps, 2 line of fishing rod snaps, and few colds, sniffles, and that's it. Better luck next time.
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit. What?